Chapter 6, Control Structures. Introduction. In a general statement that are executed sequential, that is, the statements are executed one after another. In a control structure, the statement must be executed one after another, one by one, by the sequential order. In maybe the situations in our real life programming, we have to need to be skipping some special segment or the set of some special executed another statement based on the test condition. If the test condition is must be true, the executed statement must be will be executed. If the statement must be false, mean the statement cannot be executed. The statement must be skipping. This is called as a alternative or branching statement. In another needs to be executed the set of statement in a multiple times is called as a iteration or looping statement. There are three type of statement must be executed in a control structures. In control structure, the program statement that causes a jumping of control from the one part of the program to the another is called as a control structure or control statement. As you have already learned in the C++ programming, 11th standard you have to learn about C++ programming, as well as here also be the same platform working with the C++ using the Python programming. Choosing the control statement, the control compound statement using their alternative or the control flow of the processing or program depending upon their state of the processing level in the C++ or in a statement of processing levels. There are the three important control structures. One is sequential statement, other one is alternative statement or branching statement, and other one is a iteration or looping statement. The three major categories of using in there important for working with the sequential, alternative statement, and iteration statement. The sequential statement is a compound of their sequence of statement which are executed one after another. A code to be printing your name, address, phone number, and other examples of in a sequence statement. Suppose you have to take on some small record, entering your roll number, entering your registration number, entering your name, entering your date of birth and father's name, as well as address and pin code. It is a sequential by using a single record, by using a single statement is called as a sequential statement. It is the examples of a sequence statement by creating a one phone number, addresses, and other in a state given by the sequential order by giving the sequential statements. Alternative or branching statement. In our day-to-day life, we need to take the various decisions and choosing the alternative path of a active our goals. Maybe in our whole having the taking some alternative route to be reaching our decisions when we need to be finding the usual routes to be the traveling in near blocking areas. So the decision making with are the leadings to be the alternative or other steps to be taken from the branching statements. These checking whether the given numbers of positive or negative values, odd number or even numbers, all branches will be done by using their alternative or branching statements. In Python, providing to the following types of alternative or branching statement. One is a simple if statement, other one is a if else statement, and if else statements will be followed by the branching statements. First one is a simple if statement. If is the simple of a discussion making conditions should be in form of a relational or a logical expression. Relational expressions or in the form of a logical expression, condition must be in a if following statement. Condition must be true means given the output. Condition must be true means given the executions of the result is called as a if statements. If else statement by using their examples. If the small example, if statement must be true means given the execution, given the output. If statement must be false means program will be skipping by the next iteration statements. Other one is if else statements. If else statement providing the control to check the true block as well as the false block. If statement must be true means if statement will be executed. Else statement must false means else statement must be executed. It is called as a if else statement. Though entry will be the flow chart will be here. Enter statement, the condition must be true or condition must be false. The statement must be true, statement must be false. If the condition must be true means given the execution or given the output result. If the condition must be false means statement must go to the again main position and check whether where the error will be done in the programming. It is called as a if else statement. If else statement with a given the suitable example. Statement must be true means given the output. Else statement must be false means the statement must be error coding will be executed. And other one is a nested if else statement. What is mean by the nested statement? If we needs to be contact with a chain of the if statement, if else statement causes fields to be instead of the else statement. Within the block or within the statement creating if else statement will be executed. Is the test conditions evaluated, the statement must be true, the test condition will be evaluated false, the test condition must be going to the next positional content and execute the same result. Nested if else statement must be there. Some example, small examples will be given from the nested if else statement. Within the statement must be created is called as a nested statement. Within the if statement you can create another statement is called as a nested statement. Within the else statement you can create another else statement is called as a nested statements. Interaction or looping constructs. Interactions or looping used in a situation when use need to be executed, blocking of the code in the several times of a till the condition must be satisfied. Till the statement must be true, the looping statement must will be executed. The condition must be true. If the loop statement is allowed to the looping statement and the interaction the multiple number of times should be executed. Same transaction, same value should be executed repeatedly again and again. The same transaction will be controlling under the executional part is called as a looping statement or interaction statement. In Python providing two type of a looping statement. One is while loop and other one is a for loop. What is meant by while loop? The while loop is a looping condition in another value boolean expression returning the statement true or false. When the true condition means be true statement must be will be executed, the condition must be false mean false value should be executed. What is the reason of false statement will be executed? The else part of the while is optional part of the while loop. The statement blocking one will be keeping there executed. The till the condition must be true, till the statement must be true value should be executed. If the statement must be false, return in the executed when the condition test condition will be the false statement. Recall the looping statement belonging to the entry in the check loop type. It is not executed. Even one part of the condition, test condition expression will be belonging to the while loop statement. Some syntax value should be returned in the while loop expression. Here we will be seeing there I equal to 10 while condition I less than or equal to 15. Suppose the value should be I equal to 0 means starting value must be 0 means the value should be also 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here the I equal to 10 means the initial value must be 10. The starting value also 10 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 till the end of the value 15. Less than 15 means it can stopping with 14 also. But here is the less than or equal to 15. The value including 15 also be executed. It is called as a while loop statement. Other one is for loop. For loop is the most comfortable loop. It is also an entry check loop. For loop is also be the most comfortable loop. Is called as a entry check loop. The conditions is check the beginning of the body of the loop statement is executed if only statement must be true. Otherwise, the looping is not be executed. When the statement must be true means looping will be executed. Otherwise, statement not be executed, looping will be false. Some examples shown here from the for looping statement. The condition value is mentioned in the syntax statement. The controlling value should be used in a for loop statement in C++ platform. The final statement, the increment value should be executed. The increment value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 will be executed in their sequential order in the form of looping statement. The statement must be false means that output cannot be executed. Only statement true means value should be executed. In the for loop, some syntax value should be returned in the for loop statement. Here the for loop value should be returned in the sequential positional content in the for loop, some given in the example for the for loop statements. Nested loop structure. The loop placed within the another loop is called as a nested loop structure. What is meant by nested loop means a loop placed within the another loop. Yes. Conditions is placed in another condition. A if statement is placed in there, another if statement, else statement is placed in there, another else statement is called as a nested looping statement. One can place while within the another while loop for in another for loop, another while loop, the for loop within their another while loop will be within their another for loop in the control structure. Such a controlling structure is called as a nested looping statement. Is called as a nested loop. Within there you looping another loop is called as a nested loop structure. Some examples should be the nested looping structure in given some examples. While I less than or equal to 6, for the ranges will be incremented by I, the value should be incremented by 1 by 1, 1 by 1. First thing is written as a 1 and another one go for 1 and 2, another go for 1, 2, 3. The nested function within the function, nested function within the same function is called as a nested function till the end of the value is returned in there 5. Less than or equal to 6 means the value returned is the maximum value should be 5. The test condition must be true. When the value should be less than false means the statement automatically will be terminated. Thank you.